Yo, hello bitches and welcome. Sorry, that was rude. Hello, guys, and welcome to today's trade recap. Yes, I ended up taking a trade today, and it was an L. First of all, this is the first, L in the decades, bro. I have not took a single loss in over 2 weeks, I guess, or even more. Hold on. If you go into my YouTube, like yesterday, we hit a W. The day after, before that, we hit another W. The day before that, we hit another W. So this week, this whole week has been green week, and then no trades, no trades, no trade. Oh, this one is also a good trade, a W trade. We have no trades, no trades, no trades, no trades, another W. No trades. Hold on, how the shit is going? Like another W, another W, another W, and no trades, no trades, no trades, no trades, and then we took a loss. So, bro, 3 weeks ago, we bro, I didn't took a single loss in 3 weeks, bro. That is fucking crazy, bro. I moved out from almost losing my entire fucking net worth on trading. Hold on, the last 2 months or three. Look, -1%, -1%, another losing day, 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 another losing day. Bro, another losing day. Another losing day. Another losing day. Another losing. Oh, hold on. This one is a winner. We took 3% off of that. Then no trades, no trades, no trades. But then one loser again. And one loser again. And one loser again. And one loser again. And one loser again. This shit has been for almost 2 months, I guess. 2 months losing streak, but then boom, 1 to 3 RR. But then boom, 1 to 2 RR. Boom, another loss, -1%. And then we fucking banged that shit. The average risk reward is 1 to 2.5. Winner. This is 1 to 2.5. So let's say these are 5%. 7.5. Uh, uh, 10%. 10% with 10% with 12.2%. 12.2%. 15%. Then you see this? 15%. Then boom, 20%. This shit has been so we lost, I guess, 10 trades in a row. So that still make me fucking profits, even though I closed up the month with on March minus shit ton of money. But then the winning streak, we got winning streak, and then we removed all the losses back. But damn, bro, damn, we hit the 2 day loss. But I actually was about to not lose this trade, because when I entered this trade and I saw this shitty ass price action, what the fuck? What are we dead ass right now, bro? Are we fucking dead ass? Look at this price action. We have been consolidating in my entry point for almost 1.5 hours. I was about to get the fuck out of this trade right here. I was about, but then I said, "What the fuck are you doing, man? Stick to the plan. Shit, set and forget, whatever that thing is. Set and forget, and let the shit rise." And that's it. I lost this trade, but I actually followed my plan. I saw my setup. I saw everything. The daily time, the trade is aligned with the daily time frame, with the daily bias. I'm not taking this trade off of a reversal. So on the daily I was bearish on GBP, GPY. Also on the 4 hour we were bearish. we took out these Asian session highs, we took out these London session highs, we retraced back into this order block on the 4 hour, and then on the hourly, like there's a sweep of liquidity, we took out these hourly highs, we took out these hourly highs as well, and then scale down to the onto the 15-minute time frame. By the way, we still have these low resistance draws on liquidity to the downside. We have these lows, we have these lows, we have these lows, we also have these lows and these lows. So we still have more, a lot of downside liquidity, and we also did not break the structure right here. So we took out these highs, the Asian session highs, the London session highs, but then I scaled down to the 15-minute to see the break of structure happening. So like I waited, and then scaled down to the 15-minute. Like we did not inverse this gap at first. I kept waiting. We traced back into equilibrium right here, as you can see, and into, I guess, a 15-minute order block. Yes, we traced back into 15-minute order block, then I scaled back to the 5-minute. This we can see, like this is the break of structure, and then what I want to see is a 1 minute, like fully inversion of a structure shift. So I kept waiting, then I saw the structure right here. I wanted price to like close below this low. Then what happened, like literally the next candle just closed below it. I entered, I got filled right here. Then my stop loss is above the liquidity sweep. I take profit, one and only take profit at these lows. I didn't want to like hold to these Asian session lows. I just wanted to take a good draw liquidity without risking a lot. So this risk reward was solid, but I did not wanted to hold to these lows, especially like today is Friday, bro. Today is Friday, and I didn't want to take a lot of risk. Now it's going back, but I'm pretty sure that this is a higher trend now. We just like continued the move higher. This is just the higher low. Then I think more likely going to do the new higher high. So I told you, I already told you about that. I'm not very sure about today's bias, but yeah, on USD GPY the trade is invalidated. Bro, like I literally had to pause the video because I had some shit going on, but then like going down, like literally the next fucking, like you can't do the shit, bro. You can't do the shit. Like I already, bro, like drew this to you. I already drew this to you, and literally happened like in the middle of the video. So what I told you, because what I told you is that the trade on USD GPY is invalidated. So hold on, USD GPY. So here we go. Here is USD GPY. I wanted to see the sweep of liquidity right here. I waited for the hourly to break the structure down. It did, but then if we go to the 15-minute time frame, what I wanted it to do, like it's right that we came back into this, into this order block, but then as soon as it gets lower, we didn't see any sweep of liquidity or any break of structure on the 5-minute. I was waiting for something to break through this structure to the downside, but then boom, price ended up like sweeping these lows and continuing its move to the upside. So today my bias was wrong, everything was wrong. I took a trade and it was a loser, and I think I am a loser. No, buddy, I'm not a loser. I had like 3 weeks winning streak, and this is the first loss in a fucking 3 weeks. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys, I don't know, I hope you guys benefit from this one. I don't think that you got benefit from this one because there is no much to learn from this. I'm not also teaching anything. It is like there is nothing to learn from me. For me, like I can't like see any benefit from this one, but I will study even more. I'll backtest this whole week, especially tomorrow is weekend. So I'll go backtest this whole week with both pairs. I already did that from Monday to Wednesday, I guess. But then I'm going to journal every single trade. I am going to backtest and study the market, and then tomorrow we have the crypto updated video. Stay tuned for that because literally the same thing, once again, the same thing that I told you about last week has happened. And as always, Sunday is going to be a motivational, psychological video. So stay tuned to that. Today we got lost, but hey man, we do not care because we are doing some good shit. So without that being said, I love you guys and I love and appreciate you guys for tuning to this video. Thank you guys for supporting me over this journey. Make sure you guys like the video and subscribe. Let's hit 220 legends before the end of May. And once again, I love you guys. I don't know what I'm saying, but stay safe, boys. Goodbye.